Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out with your hands up! Show me! Come out!
In the quiet suburb of Dundalk, Maryland, what started as a routine response to a 911 call quickly spiraled into a deadly. Just after 7:30 p.m. on May 18, 2025, two Baltimore County police officers arrived at a residential block expecting to de-escalate a disturbance.
Hello.
Hey, this is Officer Brady. Look.
This is her.
Hey, so we're, and just so you know, my camera's on, but we're at, and nobody's, we can hear him talking. No, we're out front. Do you want us to come around back?
Yeah, go around back. They were supposed to tell you to go around back.
Okay, didn't see that. I'll come around the back.
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. Bye.
All right, bye.
Just, she said for us to come around back. I don't know if you want to wait here, and I'm going to go talk to her. Just hang tight.
But within minutes, one officer found himself face to face in an alleyway with an armed suspect hand. Bullets began to fly.
Hi. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's going on? Give me 10-3. Give me 10-3. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop. Come here. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out with your hands up. Show me. I'm in the rear. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get out of the car, man!
Oh my God! Please don't! What are you doing? You don't have nothing! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
46, I'm good. 46, I'm good. We got more shots fired. He's got a gun in his hand. He's in the house.
I need my kids to come out!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come out with your hands up! Hands up! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out! Get it. You gotta get down on the ground, sir. You gotta get down on the ground. It's on the ground. We're getting detained. Scene is safe. 3 minutes in now, around the back alley.
I'm gonna go get medic stuff.
Fuck. Sir, where are you hit? Oh, shit. 46, he's got a gunshot wound. He was, lower jaw. 3 sirens off. God damn it. Hold on, sir. We're gonna get you help. No, we're all good. No, it's not. I don't know. I don't know. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, officer involved. Stop, sir. We're gonna get you help. We're gonna get you help. I don't know if he's hit on any extremities. The only bullet wound I see is on his face.
Where?
Wait.
Is there anyone inside?
Yeah, did you just go to the complaint?
Hey!
Over here.
Is there anyone inside? No? Stop moving!
Where did you get at?
It's a GSW to face. Have medics 1018.
Next unit, I need you to help me through his house.
Here, you hold him.
Hey, he was talking to me through the front. Clear the house with him.
He's got a gunshot wound to his jaw. I don't know if he's hit anywhere else.
You got cuffed everything.
He's cuffed.
I got it. I secured the gun.
Okay, I got you.
This is a Joel.
The man shot during the exchange was later identified as 43-year-old Glenn Petty Jr., a resident of Dundalk. A loaded handgun was found near his body, and no officers were injured in the incident. Since the suspect died during the confrontation, no formal charges were filed, but the incident remains under internal review as per department protocol.